I'm sure that this collaboration will be benefiting both countries. We were looking forward for this for a long time. We were working with Biovax and the team here to reach this stage. And I'm looking forward to work together and to do something good for Kenya and for ourselves.
This is a special occasion for Kenya Biovax, for the Ministry of Health, the government of Kenya, in its efforts to enhance and strengthen the health system's pandemic preparedness by partnering with Hayat Biotech. Hayat Biotech, Your Excellency, have expertise in research, in development, in partnerships with other big vaccines manufacturers, and not just for human vaccines, but also animal vaccines. So for us at Biovax, for us within the ministry, we're really pleased and we're looking forward to this partnership.
It is a very important step in Kenya because it will provide the first ever mechanism that will see Kenya manufacture vaccines locally. It has been our intention in the bottom-up economic transformation agenda and plan to ensure that the 150 billion shillings we spend every year importing pharmaceutical commodities, we begin the journey to produce as much and to the extent possible in Kenya as many pharmaceutical commodities as is possible. And this step is one leap in the right direction because it will now provide the mechanism for collaboration between Hayat and Biovax on research, on development, on manufacture and supply of vaccines, not just to Kenya, but to the region as well. This comes hot on the heels of last week's endorsement by IVI for Nairobi and Kenya to be the regional facility for International Vaccine Institute, a negotiation that I participated in, and I am very proud to announce to the people of Kenya that we are not only a member of the International Vaccine Institute, but its regional headquarters for our continent will be here in Kenya. And the step we have taken today is a step to confirm Kenya's locality and Kenya's positioning as a destination for vaccine research, development, and manufacture going into the future. And I am very happy that we will not only be discussing vaccines for human beings, we will also be discussing vaccines for our animals. We have been importing vaccines into Kenya. Now we have the opportunity, working with KAGRI, working with Kebevapi, that we will now have the opportunity to enhance our vaccine, animal vaccine manufacture in Kenya, and I want to welcome Hayat and the expertise and the knowledge and the capabilities they have into Kenya as we create the necessary environment for us to further our footprint in manufacturing of pharmaceutical commodities, and in this particular case, for vaccines. And let me also say that we are concluding the development of new special economic zones. We have already procured the contractors to construct phase 1 of the 5 special economic zones in Kenya, including one in Thika that is going to be the epicenter of pharmaceutical manufacturing. And therefore, I want to tell Hayat that, that Kenya is already preparing the capabilities and securing the environment, including the facilities for manufacture of pharmaceutical commodities, including vaccines And we look forward to working with you in our special economic zones to supply product to Kenya and to use our special economic zone facilities to supply product to the region and globally as well.